Let's learn how to make curved arrows and how to create this arrow swirl graphic with them. First, insert a moon shape onto your slide. Remove the outline of the shape and resize it as shown in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, place the shape in the upper left part of the slide. To adjust the width of the moon, move the yellow dot that appears when clicking on the shape. Then position the shape to your liking. Now insert a triangle shape. Resize it as shown in the upper right screen. Then remove the outline. Adjust the angle of the triangle by using the circle arrow icon above the shape. Place it at the tip of the moon shape. Select both shapes and under Shape Format, go to Merge Shapes. Click on Union. While still having the shape selected, add a shadow. Then duplicate your arrow and align both shapes exactly. Go to Rotate in your upper right toolbar and select Rotate Right by 90 degrees. Place the second arrow in the next quater of the slide. Repeat this process 2 more times and make sure that all the arrows overlap on the back ends. Now move on to the color design. Choose the colors based on personal preferences or based on brand colors. In a final step, select all the shapes and under Arrange, select Group. And there you have your final arrow swirl. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.